This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the iPhone down and removing the SIM. This prevents shorting. Once done, inspect the lightning port with a magnifier and bright light to identify lint, corrosion, or bent pins. You'll use a wooden toothpick and soft brush because they're non-conductive. 90% isopropyl cleans oils fast. Make sure to work on a grounded surface. This reduces static risk and sets you up for the next, careful cleaning steps. You now remove debris by angling the toothpick and scraping with gentle, controlled strokes. This dislodges lint without bending connectors. Once loose particles appear, brush them out and use short canned air bursts to clear remaining dust. Avoid extended blasts that could push debris deeper. If you spot corrosion or sticky residue, dampen a cotton swab with 90% isopropyl, then blot and lift, rather than rubbing. This dissolves grime while protecting contacts. Make sure to let everything dry before testing. You finish by confirming the port is completely dry, then power the phone on and test charging and data with a known good cable. This verifies connectivity. If it still won't charge, swap the cable and charger to rule those out, then test another device to isolate the problem. If pins are visibly bent or corrosion persists, avoid further DIY force. Seek a professional repair. This prevents permanent board damage. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, try multiple charge angles to detect a loose contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.